Okay, so today we are going to do experiment number 4.1, finding out focal length of a convex lens. For that we need a convex lens or a biconvex lens. How you will identify? Convex lens edge will be thin and concave lens edge will be thicker. So during the time of exam you will be given two lenses. You have to pick up the convex lens of your own. So you will be able to identify using this method. Now for finding out the focal length, we need a screen, a white screen placed on a stand, a meter rule on a horizontal table, a lens holder and a convex lens along with a distant light source. So what we will be doing is, first we will set up this screen at the 60 centimeter mark. 60 centimeter mark we have set up the screen, and then we will put this lens on the lens holder and we will obtain image of a distant object on this screen. See, this is the image of the distant house over there, and we are able to see the image over here. Yes. So this is the image. We will have to move the lens till we get a clear image. Till we get a sharp image. We have got a sharp image over here. See, this is the image of the house and we have got a sharp image over here. At this position, we will record the position of the screen to be 60 and position of this lens holder to be 55. At the position where you will get a sharp image, only that position you will be recording. 55. So the image lens holder position is 45. So this is the image we have got, and this is the position of the lens holder for that particular image. In this manner, you will have to take 3 readings by changing the position of the screen and position of the lens holder. So let us change the position of the screen to be 40 centimeter.
এইটা যে সাধারণত শেড হলে পুরো ছবি এসে যাচ্ছে, কী সব লেখে এসে যাচ্ছে রে ওইগুলো, হ্যাঁ, তারপর ওদের বাড়ি এসে যাচ্ছে।
So this is the position of, this is the image which we have got over here. This is the image, you can see it, clear image. So the position of this screen is at 40 centimeter. See, you can see the image of the house. So position of the screen over here is 40 centimeter, and the position of the lens holder here it is 23 centimeter, where we have got a clear image like this. Clear. So here in a convex lens the image will be real, which is taken on the screen, and inverted. So in this way you have to change the positions of the screen and change the positions of the lens holder to find out the focal length.